Reincarnation is a concept that often only evokes images of Dharmic religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism. While the belief in reincarnation is rare within Abrahamic religions, it is not unheard of. This video will cover traditions regarding reincarnation found within a mystical school of Judaism, the Druze, Alawites, and Rastafari. Within Kabbalistic tradition in Judaism, there exists the concept of Gilgul, also known as transmigration. However, many rabbis have debated this concept's validity. The Kabbalah, from which this idea stems, is a mystical branch of Judaism and is based on an important text within the religion called the Zohar. Kabbalah, being an esoteric school of thought within Judaism, is not one that is commonly studied by adherents to the faith. As such, opinions on Kabbalah are for the most part debated between a minority of those within Judaism. Judaism as a whole does not endorse any specific idea of the afterlife, and reincarnation is only one tradition within this branch of Judaism. Some Kabbalists even believe in a form of karma, where people pay for their misdeeds of one life in the next. This is seen as an explanation for why someone righteous in their life may still be divinely punished. Others, however, disagree that good or bad deeds have anything to do with reincarnation at all. Some see reincarnation as giving a soul new opportunities for rectification and perfection. It is through these different lives, some Kabbalists claim, that Jews are given the opportunity to fulfill all 613 commandments found within the Torah. Depending on the source, a soul reincarnates 3 or more times. Others say a soul reincarnates up to 1,000 times. It is said that the righteous continue to transmigrate into new bodies, not for their benefit, but for the benefit of the world. Kabbalists disagree with one another on what role hell has to play in this cycle. Some believe only in hell, some only in reincarnation, some believe that hell comes first and then reincarnation, or the other way around, and of course there are those who believe in neither hell nor reincarnation. There is a debate among Kabbalists regarding what one can reincarnate as. Some say that, for example, Jewish men can only reincarnate as Jewish men. Others say that a Jewish man could, however, even reincarnate as a Gentile woman. According to some old lines of Kabbalist thought, transmigration can even bring a human soul into a plant or inorganic material. Some proponents of reincarnation within Jewish tradition claim that biblical sources support this idea. Some read one generation passes away, another generation comes, as one generation dies and then returns through reincarnation. Ultimately, however, most Jews, whether they believe in reincarnation or not, agree that the Torah does not directly confirm the existence of transmigration of souls. Instead, some claim that it only alludes to it, as the Torah is for practical knowledge and the belief in reincarnation, since one ultimately forgets the previous incarnation, is not seen as practical. Druze is an ethnic religion that belongs to the Abrahamic family, having begun as an Islamic sect. The Druze believe that the soul must inhabit a body at all times. As such, the body is called al-Qadim, meaning the shirt of the soul. It is believed that the moment someone takes their last breath, their soul is immediately transported into a newborn baby. Because of this, some Druze say that they mourn less within their community than in others. Reincarnation in the Druze religion differs from that of Dharmic tradition. According to the Druze, people can only reincarnate as a human being of the same gender as they were in their past life. There is also no concept of karma tied to reincarnation, so the life in which a Druze is reborn into is not dependent on how they lived their past life. Druze souls can also only be reincarnated as Druze because of a concept called the Pact of Time Custodian. This was a pact the Druze supposedly made to join the religion ages ago. However, since the Druze religion stopped accepting converts nearly 1,000 years ago, all new Druze are born into the religion and are believed to all be reincarnations of past generations of Druze. Some Druze claim that they can remember their past lives, and some seek out those they think they remember to continue on old relationships and also old rivalries. This ability to remember one's past life as a child is believed to only happen when a Druze dies a violent death. The Druze also believe that the concept of hell, found in many other Abrahamic religions, is more of a metaphor for the struggles of life one will experience through their many incarnations. Heaven for the Druze is similar to the concept of moksha or nirvana found in some Dharmic religions, where one escapes the cycle of rebirth. According to the Druze, however, this is not the result of enlightenment, but rather what will occur after Judgment Day, when they are reunited in heaven with God. This is also called being united with the cosmic mind. Alawites also believe in reincarnation. Like the Druze, the Alawites are secretive about their ethnic religion and have thus been called a mystery religion by some. Some details about the religion are apparently kept secret even from the vast majority of Alawites themselves. Unlike the Druze, Alawites believe that they can also be reincarnated as an animal, if they lived a sinful life or doubted God. Alawites believe that humans were once cosmic beings who were expelled from heaven. Their cycle of rebirth on earth is therefore what they must undergo as a part of their redemption, so that they may one day return to the heavens as a celestial body. Rastafaris believe that Africans, particularly those who are descended from those who were enslaved in the Americas, are reincarnations of ancient Israelites. Rastafari Makonnen, later crowned as Haile Selassie I, Emperor of Ethiopia from 1930 to 1974, is viewed as the reincarnation of Christ and the physical embodiment of the Godhead on earth. Some Gnostics also believe in reincarnation, claiming that a figure known as the Demiurge is responsible for keeping people in a cycle of rebirth. The belief in reincarnation was also widespread in an extinct Christian sect called Catharism, which was one of the reasons they were marked as heretics in medieval Europe. While reincarnation is not a belief commonly held within the major Abrahamic religions, it is not a complete stranger to this family of faiths, as it is found within various Abrahamic traditions. Thanks for watching.